We're gonna do a test of this Robo vacuum. This vacuum is new in our home. Our fridge just broke down. So our fridge is getting rid of this as of this afternoon. This is the area that it's going to get cleaned out. As you can tell, there's a lot of marks here. And then in here as well. Let's see if the Robo vacuum able to polish this out. We're gonna get a vacuum and we're going to get it mopped as well. So you can tell right there, using this Robo vacuum, and we'll see how it goes. So there's an app.
Yeah, I'm trying to map area. That's the whole house, the ground floor. So the vacuum is there now.
Alright, that's the home of the vacuum. Yeah.
Dock. So I'm trying to put a map there. Like this, only this spot, huh?
I think so. Somewhere around there.
Yeah. I can go even smaller. I've never done this. And then I think I can change.
Does it know if there's a like an area that it needs to scan again or not?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already done. But then I need to vacuum up. I can do very maximum, very high, clean it 2 times. Okay, I think that's the maximum.
The maximum it can go.
Let's try. So last night we just clean it here, so it's cleaning again.
But it doesn't know that there's a hole, because that is pretty much based on this wall. It doesn't know there's a hole inside, does
No,
it?
it doesn't.
So it's
Yeah, we'll see.
But we'll see how it
knows.
goes.
Yeah.
Alrighty, you do a test.
I hope I'm at in the right area.
It's doing something. Warming up, I guess. Oh, it's washing them off. Okay, gotcha. Right.
Oh no, it doesn't know there's a hole there.
That's what I mean. So we gotta remap it first. Okay, hang on. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it started to go somewhere. So we changed the mapping because it knows it's got a pantry in there. Wait, be careful.
It knows.
Hopefully it knows where it's going. So we're changing, there's a mapping in there.
And you can see the vacuum. It's moving.
Oh, it's actually moving to that zone.
Yeah.
Okay, which area is gonna go? Is it gonna hit? Oh, no, it knows. Is it gonna hit anyway? Okay. So it mapped up to, let's say, there, but we're putting a new zone in there. So let's see if it knows where it's gone. Okay, it's going the wrong direction, first of all. Oh, okay. Maybe
so
not.
I'll put the wrong one then. No.
No, is it going the right way? We'll see. Boom.
Oh, I don't think it knows. I don't think it knows.
Don't think it knows that
Because here's the
it hasn't been
boundary.
zoned. Yeah.
No, you need to remap that area.
Okay, so it looks like
So
we
I
gotta
think
remap.
it will
Hang on. It's going in. It's going in.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's going in.
Ooh. That's cool.
Cool. Can I have a look at the map?
But it's been God knows how many years and how many months in there, so I don't think it's going to be clean.
Yeah.
But
But we'll
least it
see.
knows.
We'll see if it's the right way. Maybe make it bigger or slightly bigger because you're. Oh yeah.
No,
okay,
it's good. It's
that's
a
good,
new area,
yeah.
I think.
So it's gonna mop the whole entire of this area, including that.
Oh no, I mapped the wrong area, so I got the lower. Okay, so what if I
So maybe it goes
stop?
in. Yeah.
Okay, if I change, can I stop? How can I stop? I don't know how to stop. Skip. Would you like to skip current area? Next area? Okay.
Okay.
What does it say?
Leave the current.
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna go back home.
Pass.
Okay.
Zone. So it's here, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
Try that.
Different here, bigger. Okay. And then max 2 times. Clean.
Changing the zone and see if it works now. Now, how long is it going to take? Does it know?
Yeah, it counts.
Okay.
Now it's still on it.
Okay. Is it going to go into that zone where the fridge used to be? Oh, it knows there's a door.
Should close that door. Anyway.
Oh, wait. It's gone too far. That doesn't sound right. Maybe. Oh, it knows it's going in. Is it going to go in? Alright, it's going in. So obviously if it's in the corner side there, it won't go through because it's around. So it won't go in that corner. So we probably still have to remop this. But that's after the first wash.
Yeah.
We'll see what it looks like after 2 or 3 washes or so. And it's just going to keep on going around this area. So we know the limitation. Corner is not going to work out well. That's pretty cool. Whoops. And it's going to go in again. No, it's not going to go in yet. Oh, it is going in. Just doing zigzag motion a little bit, doing zigzagging. And it's not bad. It's not cleaning like deep clean. I suppose it's just going to go around right in this circle motion. It knows where it stopped. I mean, it's not going through all the way to the other wall. It knows where to stop around here. Gonna go anywhere else. So in the map it tells you, I guess, the direction of it, where it's actually gonna go, or the route that it's thinking of going or coming.
I asked to clean twice, so I'm not too sure it's going to go twice.
Okay.
Oh, it's first time.
It's zigzagging
Okay.
now. So this is, so beforehand is side to side, but now it's gonna go up and down. That's pretty cool, so that it knows. Alright, we'll see what it looked like at the end. So overall, it does do, I guess, the main surfaces. It's not as good in the corners, let's say, because it didn't touch this area.
Oh, that's very hard to clean. I try to scrub it.
Yeah. No, it's like it didn't even touch that area. So, and when it's in a corner, it's definitely not going to touch.
And we just use the water.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
Finished cleaning. Returning to dock.
So it's gonna return to dock now. So overall, like, it didn't touch this corner because obviously round it makes it hard, and it knows when to go to the dock. So for main services like high traffic area, it's actually quite good. And overall experience of it, it's pretty good. The fact that you actually need to map the whole entire house before even considering it. Is it gonna know where it's gone? All right. Where does it know it's gonna go? There's an obstacle. Whoops. Simone, there might be a problem. There might be a problem. Have a look. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no! Oh no! If you don't supervise them, and if it's got a cable like that, it just trying to go over it.
Yeah.
So
Oh, the cable.
it doesn't know cables.
Yeah.
So make sure there's no cables on the ground if you're using this. He went over that way, and he's got a cable. So doesn't know where to dock now. So other limitation, no cables. And he's going in. Backing up. Cool. And now it's gonna do washing up, I guess.
Starting to wash the mop.
So it's washing up the mop, and it's gonna do another cycle of the same area. So that's just a review based on this mop doing, I guess, under the fridge area. But hopefully this gives you better information, what it feels like or what it looked like. We're using it in a real life environment. So that's it for now, guys. Cheers.